This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
What is up guys, Arifur is here and welcome to WebResearch volume on finding company information for beginners. In this lecture, I will show you how to find any company email with using company website. Website header. If you look very carefully in the website header, you can be able to find company email. This is the company email. Website footer. Go to the page footer. Here you can be able to see company email. Website contact us page. Click on the contacts page up a little bit. Here you can be able to see company email.